I increased my portfolio by over 100% inside of 1 month with this model right here. And it's very simple, guys. Let me show you how to do it. So first you want to head over to the daily chart. This is the 5-minute chart, but let's go ahead and go to the daily chart, and we're going to look at the previous day. So the previous day here, look at this bullish momentum, guys. Look at this previous day bullish momentum. Okay, now let's go to the S&P 500. S&P 500, look at that. Look how bearish it is. These are supposed to be correlated completely. So that means Intel is an outlier, okay? So then we go back to the 5-minute chart, and before the market opens, we start charting out some levels. So we go over here and we're gonna chart out some levels where the stock rejects. The stock rejects right here. Look at all these times it goes up, rejects. So when we break out of there, we're most likely gonna keep going up. Okay, so we break out of here, we enter a long position after the second 5-minute candle closes, and no stop loss on this position. We'll have a mental stop loss if we close below the 90 MA, which as you can see, we closed below, but right away it went back to bullish, so it was fine. And these contracts were only down 10%. It was nothing. So then they went all the way up here, but they went up to over a 250% gain. And some of you might be asking, we entered here, but the stock went all the way down here and they were only down 10%. But then they went all the way up to here and they were up 250%. So how does that work? Okay, so it's because we're buying out of the money call options. So out of the money call options are comprised of implied volatility. And because of all the implied volatility coming into these contracts, it's boosting the premium of the contract. So even if the market is consolidating, okay, just not moving at all, okay, if it's market open with all the volume coming in, the premium of our contract is going up. So 30 cents, 31 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents. And these went from 41 cents all the way to $2.55. At the high here, we scaled out on the way up. If you guys want my 5-step pre-market range breakout checklist to find stocks that absolutely explode like this at market open, go ahead and comment PRB and I will send it right to you, or click the link in my bio, hit the checklist link, and yeah,